Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can get started with Google Drive. Alright, first of all, go to your Google Drive application on your phone. After that, if you want to get started with this Google Drive, you can click on Files menu right here. Then if you want to upload a file or you want to create a folder in your Google Drive, you can simply click on this plus button. Then you can choose either you want to create a folder or you want to upload a file. If you want to create a folder, you can click on folder button right here and just name the folder. And I'm just going to name my folder like this and click on create. Click on create right here. Alright, and now the folder has been created and this is the folder. And if you want to upload a file on this folder, you can simply click on the folder. Then you can click on this plus button, then click on upload right here and select the file that you want to upload from your device. Alright, and for me, I'm just going to upload this file. So just tap on the file like this, and the file will be uploaded to that Google Drive. Alright, and you can click on this button if you want to upload this file with your mobile data. So just tap on it. Alright guys, and now the file is being uploaded to the Google Drive, and that's how we can get started with Google Drive. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.